An easy way to get rid of flies is with a homemade fly trap. Start by adding equal parts of water and liquid dish soap to a wide-mouthed jar. For the best results, use fruit-scented dish soap since it will attract more flies. You can also add a splash of apple cider vinegar to make the bait solution more attractive to the flies. When you're finished, put the jar in a place where you want to catch the flies, such as the kitchen. The smell of the mixture in the jar will draw the flies to the liquid, where the dish soap will coat their legs and wings and prevent them from escaping. Check your fly trap daily and dump out any flies that may have been caught. Refill the mixture in your fly trap as needed. To deter flies from returning to your home, make a spray repellent with a tablespoon of cayenne pepper and water. Spray the repellent on doorways, window sills, and cracks where flies may enter. To make your home less attractive to flies, remember to keep your trash can sealed with a lid. Eat or throw away fruits and vegetables before they go bad, and make sure your window screens are free from holes.